Is your hydraulic equipment experiencing more downtime than usual? Noticing a drop in efficiency or unexpected maintenance issues? You're not alone, and chances are fluid contamination is the culprit. Welcome to Schroeder News, where we bring insight, solutions, and expert knowledge to the world of hydraulic health and performance. Fluid contamination is the leading cause of hydraulic system failure. In fact, up to 80% of hydraulic equipment failures are directly linked to contamination, whether it's in oil, diesel fuel, or processed water. Track fluid health across all your equipment. Catch issues early with trend detection and receive instant alerts when codes or water content rise beyond the safety thresholds. And here's the best part. You don't need a huge budget to start. With filtration management as a service and our rental program, state-of-the-art filtration is within reach, no matter your operation size. Now, we've met up with application engineer Connor Dudas to explain more.
My name is Connor Dudas. I'm an application engineer for our filter systems division. We focus on offline filtration and condition monitoring. Our picture of system health is only as good as our bottle sample. Hydraulic oil is the lifeblood of a hydraulic system, and a bottle sample is a lot like a blood test. So if we take proper bottle sampling procedures, we can get an excellent picture of system health. But if we get a low quality bottle sample, we get an overall poor image of system health. So our first tip is do sample from running machines, do not sample from cold systems. This is very important because we want our bottle sample to capture a little microcosm of what our system is seeing. So if we're pulling that sample from a system that's not running, we're not showing what that system is experiencing. Any sort of metallic wear that's coming through that system and feeding into the pump will not be captured from that bottle sample. It'll be sitting at the bottom of that reservoir from that cold system. But if we mix up that by running the system, we get a better picture of hydraulic system health. Sampling location is also very important. We want to sample downstream from our machine components and upstream of our filters. This way, we're not removing out the contamination that's necessary context for a picture of system health. But we also want to capture the wear components from our machinery. So as gears age, as pumps age, they wear and they introduce metallic contamination into a system. This is important context for diagnosing a system. The cleanliness of our sampling equipment is also important. It is important that we are mindful that we're not introducing additional contamination by using our sampling equipment. So whenever taking a new bottle sample, we want to make sure that we're using a certified clean bottle, new hosing, and that we document and control our sampling processes. That way, anyone who takes that sample is using the same procedure. Small variations in sampling practices can make a big difference in the results. That's why it's important to have written procedures for taking a bottle sample. Take samples at consistent frequencies, not only as time permits. For many systems, this means quarterly bottle sampling. However, for more troublesome systems, this may require monthly sampling to prevent failure or to address issues earlier. Forward bottle samples to the lab immediately after the sample is taken. The sooner we know what type of contamination is affecting the system, the sooner we can help you find solutions.
Clean fluid means longer equipment life, better fuel efficiency, and real savings for your operation and the environment. When contamination strikes, knowledge is your first defense, and Schroeder is your partner in protection. This is Schroeder News, powered by over 75 years of innovation and dedication to keeping your world moving. Until next time.